Good morning, boys and girls. It's Friday. It's the end of the first week back since the Easter holidays. I hope you've all had a lovely week, a lovely first week back, and that you're back into the swing of things now. It is Friday, which means it's time for house points. So, before I give you the scores for the house points this week, there are some special mentions that I have to give to Marcella, Peter, Adriana in year six, Andrew, Risa, and Peyton, who submitted submissions for the creativity project. Well done. You have all received house points for your house, 30 each. Well done. And also a special mention to Paulina in year 3B. And she's getting a special award of 30 points this week because she is always submitting new ideas and being very creative. So well done, Paulina. And one more special award is being given to Marat in year six for showing lots of and giving lots of creative ideas to the teachers on how we can make videos and create things for everyone in the school. So thank you for that, Marat. You have also received 30 points for your house. So, without further ado, let's find out the house points for this week. So, first today is Night. Night, you have received 221 points this week. Congratulations, that's a really good score, Night. Well done. Next, we have Lion. Lions, 252 points, Lion. Congratulations, another really good score. So far, Lions, you're in the lead. Next, we have Shield. Ooh, very close. Shield, 229 points, which puts you so far in second place, Shield. Well done. And last but not least, we have Crown. I wonder, are Crown going to do it this week? It's been a long time, Crown. Let's find out. Congratulations, Crown. Wow, 290 points, a clear lead this week. Well done, Crown. It's been a long time coming, so congratulations. So, I hope everyone has a lovely Friday and you enjoy the weekend, and we'll see you next week. Bye bye.